coming out in December 19th, Restoring Prāṇa, a therapeutic guide to pranayama and healing through the breath. It's for yoga teachers, yoga therapists, and any other healthcare practitioners who've used the breath in their work to help people towards healing. Now, here's the thing. People say, well, what's the big deal about this breathing? What's so different about it? It's actually different only in that it's different in how we often think about the breath. Like if I said, how would you breathe in order to relax yourself? Or how would you tell somebody to breathe who is in a state of stress? You'd probably suggest that they take a big breath. So Restoring Prāṇa is all about stopping that habit and learning why it's important to stop that habit and learning how to breathe like this. Now, it might seem like I wasn't doing anything there, but chemically speaking, the difference between what we do with oxygen and CO2 when we go and what we do with CO2 and oxygen when we breathe like this is a world of difference, and the difference is not health versus health. Pre-order today and stay tuned for more from Restoring Prāṇa.